Hello everyone, I am Sajad and you are watching my YouTube channel Pharma Inform. In Pharma Inform today we will start our next topic, which is types of HVAC. In this video we will discuss different types of HVAC, but before going ahead, first of all subscribe our channel, and if you have not watched our previous videos of HVAC series, the link is given in the description. First watch previous videos so that you can easily understand the types of HVAC. So let's start. Types of HVAC. As you know, HVAC is heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. So there are two types of HVAC. One is non-ducted and other one is ducted. Basically, non-ducted is not concerned with the pharmaceutical industries or in the pharmacies and hospitals where we use central cooling system. These systems are used basically for single rooms. So we will have a brief overview of non-ducted system, then we will move toward the ducted system. So non-ducted system, as the name is indicating, that non-ducting mean no ducts are used in this system, and in ducted system the ducts are used to supply the air. In non-ducted system, the non-ducted system is further classified into two systems or two types. One is window system and other one is split system. Basically everyone is aware of the window air conditioning system or split air conditioning system, which we use in our homes for single rooms. Basically these are window and split systems which we use in our homes. So in window system, it is used for single rooms. All the components like compressor, coils and condensers are enclosed in a single box, and this box is mounted through the wall towards the room. So it is known as window AC or window air conditioning system. And other one is split system. As we know that the split system we use in our homes for single rooms consists of two units. One is outdoor and other one is indoor. This type of air conditioning system, in outdoor system we have condensers and compressor, and in indoor unit have fan and coils. So this was a brief overview of non-ducted system. Now we will move towards the ducted system. Ducted mean ducts. As the name indicates, in ducted system the air from fans or AHU is supplied to the area or room through the ducts. We will discuss in detail about the ducts in our next videos, but the name ducted mean in this system we have installed various types of ducts which supply air from roof to the area or rooms. You can easily observe these ducts in pharmaceutical industries. There is a net or like a web of ducts which from ceiling go into different areas or rooms like granulation area, compression area, coating area. So ducted mean the air from AHU is supplied through the ducts to the various rooms or areas. So ducted system is further classified into two types. One is chilled water system and other one is DX system or direct expansion system. First we will discuss chilled water system. Chilled water system, as the name indicates, chilled water mean in this system chilled water is used. For chilling the water, a chiller is used. Chiller is basically a barrel shape installation having very complex components which are used to chill the water. We will discuss chiller in separate video. For here we have a only overview. What is chiller? Chiller is basically used to chill the water. In chiller different types of refrigerants are used which then cool the water or chill the water. So in the chilled water system, refrigeration system in chiller first of all chills the water, mean refrigerants first cool the water or chill the water, then this chilled water or cooled water is supplied through the pipes by using pumps to the cooling coils, and the cooling coil is installed into the AHU. In simple words, chilled water system, or in chilled water system, first of all we chill the water using refrigerants, and then just this chilled water is supplied using pumps through the pipes to the cooling coils of AHU, air handling units, and when air moves through these cooling coils, due to the circulation of chilled water in the coils, the heat exchange mechanism take place and the air become cool or chilled. So chilled water system is basically an indirect method of cooling or using the chill water to cool the air. So when we supply chilled water through pipes to the coils, after taking the exchange of heat, the water leaves the cool coils from the second end of the coils and come back to the chiller system for retreatment. In this system, the heat from water is first of all removed, and then it is again chilled and then again recirculated towards the cooling coils, and this process goes on. We will discuss heat exchange mechanism and chiller system in separate video in detail. Here is a basic overview of chilled water system. So hope in simple words, chilled water system is indirect method of cooling used in the HVAC system to cool the air. In this system, first of all refrigerants cool the water, and then this cool water make our air cool or chill. So it is indirect method of cooling. The next type of DX, the next type of ducted system is DX system or direct expansion system. Basically in DX system, refrigerants are used directly to cool the air. In chilled water system, first of all refrigerants chill the water, and then chilled water make our air cool. But in DX system, refrigerants directly chill the air or directly cool the air. In DX system, refrigerants are used to directly cool the air. Air pass through coils having refrigerants, mean in this DX type of systems, our cooling coils or coils which is installed in AHU have refrigerants, or in the coils refrigerants are in circulation. So when air pass through this coil, these refrigerants directly make our air cool. That is why this type of system is known as DX system or direct expansion system. It is also known as direct method of cooling. So I hope you are now clear with the ducted system or types of ducted system. Now we will compare chilled water system and DX system. Basically DX system, as we discussed previously, is direct method of cooling. Chilled water system is indirect method of cooling. As DX type of system is direct method of cooling, so its efficiency is more or higher as compared to the chilled water system, which is due to the indirect method has low efficiency. In DX system, in DX type of system, there are chances of leakage of the refrigerants. So this type of system is used for short distance. And chilled water system, due to the chilled water supply using the pipelines, this type of system is used for the long distance. And chilled water system is less expensive as compared to the DX type of system. For a brief overview, chilled water system is also known as indirect method of cooling, and DX type of system is known as direct method of cooling. In chilled water system, first of all, refrigerants are used to cool the water, and then this cooled water is supplied through the pipes using pumps to the coil which is installed in AHU. And when air passes through these coils which have circulated cooling water, the air become cooled. In DX type of system, refrigerants are directly circulated inside the coil. So when air pass through these coils, the air is directly chilled or cooled. So it is known as direct method of cooling. I hope you are clear with these concepts without any confusion. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box. In the next video, we will discuss mechanism or working of HVAC, or simply we will discuss how HVAC works. So if you have not subscribed our channel, first of all subscribe our channel so that you can get the notification of all our videos. If you like the video, share it to others. For the next video, Allah Hafiz.